Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, obviously we're doing something with hair. I did of course buy the Dyson, and my first impression was me doing everything. I just tried out everything on parts of my hair. What I decided to do is do specific videos. I'm going to release them at the same time, so it's not like, oh, today you're going to get one, Sunday you're going to get another one, Wednesday, and it's going to be a month of Dyson videos. No, I'm going to do specific videos on smoothing your hair with this section by section and using the curlers. And so I don't know if they're ever going to sell them separately, but if they do, you can know which one you would prefer. And it helps me too, because, you know, I'm still learning to get used to it and try it and figure out if, hey, in my first impression, did I misuse it? Did I do something wrong? It always can be user error, of course, with technologically advanced products. So we're going to use the curlers in this video, and in the next video I'm going to use this. Yes, so all I have on right now is foundation because I didn't want to scare you. And I'm going to hop back in the shower and wet my hair again to do the other part. So let's get into it. These right here, this tells you the arrows tell you which direction the curl is going to go. So it's going to go back. And so we'll start off with the big one, the 1/6 inch. And I'm going to put it on high on both, and we're going to take small pieces because I want to see if I take small pieces. It may take me a little bit longer to do my hair, but to see if it's going to straighten up here. So let's give it a whirl. Let's go ahead and start the process. Oh, by the way, I have my Oribe smoothing straightening cream on my entire head. All right, guys, so I used the 1.6 inch on this side, and as you saw, I was going back and forth. They showed people doing that on their video on the Dyson website. Okay, I'm going to use the 1.2 inch on the other side to kind of see the difference. Now, what's happening with the curls, guys, is the fact that you still have the puffiness up here. It's not straightening this. Now on the videos, it says to use the blow dryer a bit up here to make it a little straight. And it didn't actually make it straight on the video. It was still a bit puffy. Basically looked how my hair looks right now. But yes, it doesn't completely straighten the hair. So let me actually go inside so you can kind of see. This is what my hair looks like inside. You can see all my gray. So I wonder if, I was wondering if I took small pieces, if it would make a difference. And maybe it will if I use the 1.2 inch, because that gets closer to my scalp. So let's give that a try over here. I'm gonna take a small piece. Let's go. All right, guys. So what I'm finding with this is that this makes my hair smoother, but it's still not soft. It's more, let me go in there for you again. It doesn't, my hair is still curly, but a little bit frizzy because it can't get to this. And when you put this close, this goes closer to the scalp, but it will burn. It will burn. So, yeah, let's kind of push these out a little bit. And if I wouldn't want to rake through that because, well, it turns frizzy. When I was going back and forth with this 1.2 inch one, I wouldn't do that because this one wound tighter and it was harder to go back and forth like with the 1.6 inch. And probably because this one is made for looser curls, to make looser curls, and this is for tighter curls. And so it was hard to go in and out to kind of help straighten it a bit and try and get it dry. But yeah, that's the result. I planned on doing my whole head, but as we're moving on, I don't see the point of doing my whole head because there's a bit of a trend here, which is okay. And I'm just going to do this just for good measure because maybe I need to take smaller pieces. Maybe smaller pieces. So this curls, you don't want to put your fingers through the curls with these, especially if I'm doing it from a damp state, which is the intended purpose. But I just wanted to show you guys how it looked with me doing it and to figure out if it's something that you want to use. Yeah, so I hope this helped you guys fully more be aware of how to use this. and if the curlers is something that you would use and would like. And so let me go wet my hair again, and let me use the blow dryer and show you how to smooth your hair with the blow dryer. All right, see you in a second. Bye.